here. We just got to my mom's house and we're gonna swim, which is perfect since we are all extremely hot. You can take a little peek. Okay, before this gets all dug into, I made Cracker Barrel's hash brown casserole. We have a pineapple casserole, fruit, we got pulled pork in there. Yum, Mama's hungry. This is my niece Amelia. She's the sweetest thing ever. Hi. Hi. Brother Colby, say what's up.
Happy 4th.
Jen. And they produced this sweet little one right here. Yes, they did. That's Willow and her Poppy, so he's her great-grandfather. They have a really, really, really special relationship. Okay guys, this is a Nutella croissant.
Hey, I want to eat that.
Oh, you want to take my croissant? Oh, see, my food always gets
Hey,
judged.
I want to do.
Go, Willow. Ready? What? Yay! Oh, that was
Good job, Libby.
I'm laughing because I seriously...
So, we're back home from my mom's house.
Okay, one, I'm always like, okay, I need to make sure I'm looking in the right spot. And two, I need to try to not talk like a valley girl. Anyways.
So...
Oh, he exaggerates. We got back from my mom's and we are in straight chill mode right now. Cooper got a little bit sunburned, didn't you, Cooper? He looks a little bit like a tomato. Poor guy. We really do put sunscreen on them a lot, but anyways. We're debating on whether we're going to go do fireworks tonight. Maybe we just do some sprinklers at... Not sprinklers.
People are going to think you've been breathing.
No. We might just do some sparklers at home. How amazing does it feel to come home and shower?
It feels so amazing to come home and shower, and I love it.
So we might not be leaving the house or going anywhere later. We're just hanging out, currently watching the hot dog eating contest. It's pretty gross.
I'm pretty sure you underappreciate the fact that these guys can eat almost 30-something hot dogs.
I don't know.
It's unbelievable.
This is what our day is consisting of now.
I think Cooper's getting inspired.
Cooper, do you think you can eat 5 hot dogs?
Matters how hungry I am.
This is so disgusting.
No, it's inspiring. America!
Exactly.
America!
Are you loving on mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to do an Eskimo kiss?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
You use your hands. Okay.
He's so silly. Can you say bye-bye, see you next time? Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
See you later. Bye. Yeah. Ooh. No, back up, Megan. Oh, dear.
Here it goes! America!